It's a pity.
What is?
Nothing, Father.
No, speak, Gregory, please, speak.
It is a pity that the monasteries should close and the poor get nothing.
It's unlikely the king would wish or ever imagine the pauper to lay his head where jolly Father Abbot once reposed.
So it all goes to Henry.
Not all. Some of the king's subjects still believe that Rome will rise again. Once these lands are given away to the king and to his gentlemen, they'll never return to the church. Prayers can be rewritten, but not leases. And men will have change. Gregory, change. Do you understand? The English will discover God in daylight, not hidden in a cloud of incense. They'll hear his word in their own language from a minister who faces them, not turning his back and muttering in some obscure foreign tongue. The poor will have good living clergy who counsel the ignorant and help the unfortunate, not these half-literate monks playing knucklebones for farthings, trying to look up women's skirts. And after many generations, long after I'm gone, the memory will be blotted out. No one will ever believe the poor once bowed and scraped to stalks of wood and prayed to lumps of plaster.